I'm Stephanie Garrett, and this is Creative Inspiration.
Okay, in this video, we are going to be doing some cute little embellished paper clips. Now, I also got inspired from a few different people on YouTube who were making these, and I thought they were just the cutest thing ever. I have so many leftover little embellishments like flowers and, butterflies and all kinds of really pretty things. I thought, let me try to make these. These are super cute and so easy, guys. So easy. So if you have a lot of little embellishments laying around and, flowers and stickers and all kinds of stuff, go ahead and start making these because you can, give these away in packs and you can do all kinds of fun stuff with it. Look at this butterfly. It's so cute, right? So one of the easiest projects you can do. Look at this. How cute is that? Little flower there. Oh, most of these are flowers, but like I said, you can do stickers, and I think I'm going to do some stickers too. I'm going to get some stickers and show you those. But yeah, look at that. How pretty is that? Oh, I've had these flowers forever. And I thought, well, what am I going to put them on? Because I only got like one of this color. And I thought, oh, I will make some little embellished paper clips. How cute is that? Yay. I'm so excited. I'm really addicted to making these. So these are adorable. And let's go ahead and do this real quick tutorial. And I'm going to show you how we're going to make it. Okay. So I have some flowers here. I got these at Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off. Super cute. Great spring colors. Pretty spring colors all year round. I mean, for birthdays, you can use them year round, I suppose. Now, this one is kind of big, so I probably wouldn't use this one for a paper clip. I would probably use this for a clothespin. Okay, that's just what I would do for that one. But the rest of these are small enough that you can use them for paper clips, like this one and this one. And maybe even this one. It's got a little, it's like just different colors there, but you can use that one too, but I don't know. I would probably save, I don't think that's smaller. Okay, so we're going to put those aside. And I got these flowers from the dollar store, so you can definitely use these. These are actually stickers, flower stickers, so that'll be easy to use. I also got these paper clips from the dollar store, and I got them in different colors. I grabbed, this was the last one of this color, this paper clips, this color, and then they readily have these. So, yay, I was excited to grab both of those. So very inexpensive to make, but it's oh so fun and oh so addictive. So just so you know. And I went ahead for time and just cut up some little discs with paper. And this is what I did. Now, I think I actually had this around, but I think it's the wrong type of hole punch you need. It's supposed to just make holes in papers like this, but I used it to make the little holes for the embellishment. So, and all I did was I just did it like this. Let me see. Can I do one with that? Take your paper, your hole punch, and then that like that, but then you're supposed to pull it out in the back. That's all I did. So I got to get the proper tool, but you know what? This works just fine. So I've used this and it haven't had any problems, but yeah, normally you get a hole punch and it just makes these by themselves. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and start this. I already have my glue gun ready for you. I already have my glue gun. So I think I'm going to do yellow on yellow. Okay. So I'm going to take this and I'll put some hot glue on it. All right, so I'm going to take this and put some hot glue on it. All right, now that might be a little much, but like I say, I'm one of these people. I like to make sure things are secure. I do that with everything that I make. My jewelry, my cards, my mixed media. I do it all that, making sure everything's good, secure. And I just put some extra glue on the side there. It's kind of stringy. And just take one of your little discs that you cut out already. Stick it on the back, and that is literally it. And you got to press it down, make sure it looks proper the way you want it, and that is literally it. Like, these are like the cutest thing ever. Make sure it's like, so you can cover the paper, and this is actually just cardstock that I cut out. This covers the glue so you won't be able to see it, right? So this covers the glue so you won't be able to see it. That's all. But these are great. These are great for planners. These are great for gifts. You can make something to sell them. I don't know. You can do a whole bunch of things with these. These are so cute. They're like my new favorite thing. I'm so excited to be making these. I want to try the stickers because I did a bunch of flowers. And I want to try some stickers here. Let's see. Let's see. These are dollar store stickers, so we'll see. We'll see. Let's get a blue clip, and then we'll put a little glue on the back. Okay, so we'll take our sticker, flower sticker, which is that, and just put some glue on it. And then take our paper clip, stick it on something, it goes like that. That's the way I put it on, okay? And then, yeah, just stick it on there like so. And I will put just a tiny bit more glue on here. That's just me. That's just my thing. You don't have to do that. That's just my thing. And I think I'll just do a plain, well, I'll do blue on the back. Okay? And that's our sticker. Isn't that cute? That's the cutest thing. Oh, wow. Let it dry, and that's it. You're done. Look at this. I made these two already. Let's make a couple more here. I'm gonna make an orange one now. I'm not gonna make a bunch of them. I just want to, you know, make some to see how they look. Actually, this is gonna be a really short, fun, quick little video. Okay, so is it that? I just want to see how they turn out. Actually, like these are like, you know, so fun to make. All right, put that on there. And then you can put any color on the back. This is orange. I don't have any orange, huh? So you know what? Let's do pink. How about that? You can have different colors. It's okay. Pink, something fun, something cool. Yeah, use your hot glue. That's cute. Super cute. Look at that. Oh, how cute is that? Look at that. I want to show you a couple of them together. All right. I wanted to show you a few of them together. Aren't these the cutest thing? So these are the two I made from the dollar store. Aren't they look cute? They're very cute. Great for planners or gifts or anything you want. So those are our embellished paper clips. Yay, very super simple. Let's move this stuff out of the way so you can see them. I feel the need to make one more, kids. I'm sorry. I know it's addictive. And my glue is really bugging me. It's so stringy. Gosh, this hot glue is so stringy. It drives me crazy. All right, just a little. See, it's very kind of stringy. Take your clip and you put your clip on there. All right. And you can match the color paper too. I actually have some green paper, but I didn't cut any. So I'm just going to use what I have. And that's the thing. Just use what you have. If you don't have anything to match it, it doesn't matter. Just use what you have. Just use one of these. Doesn't matter. Look at that. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Cute. Yay. I want to make all of them, actually. I'm sorry. I hope I don't bore you to death making all these things the same way. But, yeah, I'm going to make them all. There we go. We're going to make them real fast, too. You can make a lot of these in a short amount of time. And that's the cool thing about it. So, yeah. Make a lot of these in a short amount of time. Right? All right. This what color is this? Oh, this is purple. So, you know what? I'll just use one of these. There you go. All right. All right. How many is that? I got 4. Okay, that's good. 4 is good. And I can save the other one. So 4, and then I have one of those. And then let's see. Let's go ahead and do it up. Why not, right? Since we're here. I mean, since we're here and watching, we might as well. All right, so that's that. Let's see I'm going to just go ahead and wait. I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, there's some extra adhesive. It'll fall apart. And I'm going to use a pink dot. Oh, so cute. So it's really cute from the back too. It's super cute from the back and the front. Look at that. So these are super cute. The little yellow ones. Okay, so these are our little flower embellishment paper clips. One of the easiest projects you can make. Super cute, super fun. You see that? Camera? Yep. Yes. Very cute. Aren't they cute? Oh, I just love them. And these are the 4 I made before. So this is a nice little set you can give somebody. You know, you can stick these inside of your loaded gift bag. So you can check out my tutorial on the loaded gift bag. Okay. Okay. There you go. So yeah, you can check out my tutorial on the loaded gift bags, and you can put a nice little set of these inside the gift bag, the loaded goodie bag, right? Aren't these adorable? So cute. Yay, yay, cute. Ooh. Cute, cute, cute. Love, love, love. All right. Well, I hope you had fun watching this, and thanks for checking it out, and I will catch you next time. Ciao.